How's it going? I hope you had a great day. I'm super grateful to be alive today. I'm feeling amazing. Just finishing up a home shoulder workout, and I'm super thankful for everything that I have in my life today. And the message I have for you comes from an episode of a podcast I listened to the other day with Ed Milet. And what he said here was this: right now we are in a season of separation. It was so good. I got to listen to it again and many times more over the next couple of months here. So again, the message is this: we are in a season of separation. And so what does this come down to? We're heading into the end of the year here, where the next couple months get really exciting, right? We have all the holidays to look forward to, all the cooking, all the baking. This is the time of year where we start, taking more days off and vacation to spend with family and friends, and we tend to, ease off the gas a bit, right? We've been working all year long, working hard, grinding this and that, and the next couple months is all this fun stuff. But here's the thing, right? As we are going into the next couple of months, we are faced with two choices. We can either put ourselves 2 months ahead and get a head start on our goals and things we want to achieve next year, or we can be behind. And we know what that looks like, right? Because we've all been there. Next couple of months, we kind of let our guard down, right? We're going to, family get-togethers here, there, all the cooking. Again, we're excited. It's a fun time of year. But then what happens at the beginning of the year, after all the spending of the money, all the taking the time off, all the extra, food that we eat, we tend to put on those holiday weight gains, right? And then, here we are at the beginning of the new year trying to get it all off. And so what this boils down to is, we need to take this time of year to enjoy each other's company. But this is that moment where, you're on one side or the other, where you're going to be way ahead for next year or way behind. So it's good. We have to enjoy this. But, let's just be wise about it this season, right? Maybe not go to so many family get-togethers. Maybe not bake so much at home. Maybe not take so many vacations or take so much time off. Maybe not spend so much. Really be wise, about the things that we're doing. So that way we can really put ourselves ahead of the game coming next year versus the typical, we get into these next couple of months, go crazy with all the eating, and then we lay off, working out or stuff like that because we've got all these things planned, and then we're spending money that we just really don't have, and then we put ourselves in a bad spot coming the new year. So that's why this is a season of separation. The ones who are really trying to elevate and trying to get somewhere in life, this is the time to where you can get a head start on everybody else. So really think about that this season. Enjoy it, but really be wise. Let's put ourselves in a great spot starting the next year. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and remember that your health is your wealth.